The fastest way to get a company timeline is to use the application template, but in this video, we're building one from scratch. First, go to Forms and create a new form. Add a text field, a paragraph field, a date field, and a file upload field. Name it something like Timeline Form. Then go to Views and create a new timeline view. Map the fields so they match the ones in your form. Since there aren't any entries yet, add a few so the timeline has something to display. Once the entries are in, head back to the view, and now you can see the timeline. Here's where you can start customizing. Hide the description if you want. Pick a date format from the presets, or remove the date completely by disconnecting it from the date field. Click on Show Details pop-up and fill the details page with some static text or form data. Now, when someone clicks a timeline element, a pop-up appears with extra information. I love this for creating more advanced timelines. Natural timeline spaces events proportionally by date. You can also add year or month dividers to keep everything neat, especially if you have multiple entries in the same year. But I'll turn it off for now. Next up is styling. Choose between light, dark, no background, or live events. Change the layout to vertical right, vertical left, horizontal alternating, horizontal top, or horizontal bottom. Alternating works really well here. Event markers can be dots, images, or numbers. All the colors are fully customizable too. Click Update and View, and there it is. A clean, interactive company timeline. Finally, click Embed to drop it into any of your WordPress pages. Subscribe to our newsletter by clicking the link in the description below to stay updated on the latest WordPress tips and tricks.